I can't believe they're doing 2 for $24. Snatch them up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a roundup, my favorites of HALARA's leggings and joggers. You guys know I talk about them all the time on my channel, and I wanted to make a dedicated video for just leggings and joggers, my favorite styles, so you can take advantage of their Black Friday sale. They're running a pre-Black Friday sale starting November 1st, which has already started, till the 23rd, and then specifically on their Cloud 3.0 leggings, they do 2 for $24 all of November. And this is one of my favorite styles, so let's go ahead and give a run through. I'm going to try them all on, show you how I style them, what like workouts I wear these for, and sizing and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. All the details will be in the description box down below if you're curious to check out their Black Friday sale and any of the details about the specific items that I'm wearing. All right, so let's start with the Cloud 3.0. These literally feel like butter, like you're wearing nothing. Like I forgot that I had these on and I was like, crap, I need to take these off, and they literally feel like a second skin. They're just probably the most lightweight and like cloud like leggings. This royal blue is just everything. Besides just being super lightweight and like a second skin, they're so flattering because they have that crisscrossed waistband, which I find really tapers in the waist, obviously, and brings attention to the smallest part, and just kind of cinches everything in. These are perfect for, I would say, those lightweight, low impact sort of workouts. So if you're a Pilates girl, yoga, I love wearing these to yoga. I haven't worn them to Pilates just yet, but I just started Pilates. So I own these, I want to say in like 3 or 4 colors. They have so many colors on their site, but these are definitely second skin, so soft. They do have pockets, but it's very minimal seams, no front seams, so you don't have any of those issues. But these are pretty much like, if you're a Lululemon Align girl, these are even better than Lululemon Align. And I find that they don't pill, which some of my Lululemons have pilled on me. I don't even buy their leggings anymore. Like they're just, I have some, I don't even wear them. They're not even in my main athletic drawer. I have an entire drawer dedicated to my HALARA stuff, and these, you're not gonna wanna miss out. I can't believe they're doing 2 for $24. Snatch them up. Okay, the next pair of leggings, style of leggings that I have are more of like a training legging. These I own in multiple colors as well. I have a black and a like tealish dark blue to show you today, but these are perfect for those like higher intensity workouts, whether you're weight training, I guess that's not super intense, but weight training, HIIT training, any sort of workout like that. These have the coolest feature in this front where it's like a thick kind of panel to suck you in the front, where you maybe feel like the most like bloated, whatever. Let's say it's the time of the month, you know, and you're feeling a little bloaty, you just ate too much, you're carrying some extra water weight, whatever, and you just want to feel comfortable and confident in your leggings. This panel in the front just snatches you in. I will say size up in these. I find for myself, this band at the top can be a little bit tight on my normal size, which is a small, so I do size up in a medium in these, and I feel like they fit perfectly. Again, pockets on the side, no front seam, but they do have a seam and this sort of like V shape in the back, which is very flattering. But these are probably my favorites just for like those, like I said, HIIT classes, weight training, anything like that. This is what I'm gonna gravitate towards. Stunning. Like I said, I own them in black as well. You cannot go wrong with these if you're a HIIT girly, like let's say Orange Theory, whatever. They don't roll down, which is amazing. I feel like this thick panel helps them stay flat and flush to the tummy, so you're not dealing with having to pull things up or your bands rolling down or anything like that, which can be annoying if you're like, you know, doing burpees and all that crazy stuff. I don't know why I put myself through that, but love these for HIIT style workout classes. I mean, they'd be great for yoga and whatnot, but I find a more flexible legging, like those Cloudful ones, I find are more, I don't know, just bendable and flexible. So I like those more for yoga, and I like these more for like my HIIT slash lifting, training sort of days. Okay, let's get into their joggers. This is probably the first item that I fell in love with from HALARA, and these just, I, again, own these in multiple colors. I switch anywhere between a small or a medium. Sometimes for mediums, I like them if I want to layer underneath them. I know it might be weird, but I love wearing these. Like if I'm doing an outside activity, i.e. wearing or going on a hike, what other things, like skiing, stuff like that. You can layer these under like sweatpants and such like that if you want like medium, or the small just fits so cute as like a normal, they fit like leggings but just with this super cute waistband. And I feel like this was just such a hit, especially for, again, those HIIT classes, things like that, because these stay up on the waist really nice. It's kind of a mesh between a sweatpant and a legging, and this royal blue. Again, I own them in green, navy blue, and I would say if you want a looser fit, size up to a medium, and they kind of just give a less like legging feel and more of like a jogger fit. But if you want a legging feel, go true to size. You can't go wrong with these. I think they're so cute. They can be worn, like I said, in athletic classes, but I typically will wear them on walks or like my outdoor activities or just chilling around the house. These though, these are new to me. These are a thermal legging jogger situation, a jogger. These have this like thermal, I don't know if you can tell, this beautiful bumpy thermal, which keeps you so warm and insulated. I wore these on my walk the other day when it was like 60 degrees. And normally I have to pair something like underneath them or over the top of like my pants if it's cold. And I'm a wimp, so cold. And these have kept me so nice and snugly warm. So if you live in a cold climate and you're like, yeah, those joggers are cute, but that's like a spring, fall time, like I need heavy duty, try these ones. They're thermal lined and I love them. They also do go a bit more full length, I find, than their traditional joggers. I love these. A little bit looser as well. I'm not sure what size I got. I'll leave it on the screen. But I'm in love. They're basically their standard traditional jogger, but with thermal flannel-y soft goodness inside. And then my favorite walking pants of all time, I wear these pretty much anytime I go for a walk, whether I layer underneath or just wear them by themselves. Again, if I want something a little bit looser, I always size up to a medium these just because I prefer the relaxed feel. These are their ribbed joggers. I think I have 2 navy blues and 2 blacks because I wear them so often that I like hate having to dig through the laundry if I wear them for a walk. But these are perfect for just your very casual, like I said, if you're a walker, if you like to just hang out and chill in like pants, but they aren't like sweatpants. These are it. These are so cute. They can be dressed up really nicely with like a basic, not dressed up, but they can be worn more for like a casual day and a full outfit with just a cute t-shirt and like, what do I want to say? Like a sweater over the top or a denim jacket or something like that. Or you can wear it, like I said, I wear them for walks with sweatshirts all the time. These are honestly my favorites, just very casual, very comfortable. I just want to throw something on. I don't necessarily want to go for a walk that day. These come in clutch for me. So you guys, those are some of my top favorite leggings and joggers from HALARA. Again, if you've never tried them out, Black Friday, I feel like Black Friday is a great time to try out a lot of things because there's always good sales going on. So you can take advantage of a good sale and try something out. And I highly recommend the Cloudful 3.0 leggings. Again, 2 for $24 is insane of a deal. But if you're into that Pilates, yoga, just very low impact, let's say you do at-home workouts, I think you'll thoroughly enjoy those. But the training ones are amazing if you're a HIIT, Orange Theory, whatever kind of girly. And then if you're a walking girl, check out those joggers. I've got you covered because those are my main sources of working out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to check out all the details in terms of sizing. You'll see it on my body and be able to kind of understand, like maybe if you have similar measurements to me, I will also leave my general measurements down below. But I can speak to the quality of HALARA. I've had pieces from HALARA for well over a year and they're not pilling. They wash well, they wear well, and I mean, I love the color variety. You will find something for anyone. So whether you're giving a gift for yourself, you're treating yourself to a Black Friday gift, or you're gifting for the holidays, I don't think you can go wrong with HALARA leggings because no matter how much of a legging girl someone is, if they've never tried HALARA, they're truly missing out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful. Big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.